Welcome to WebStarburst. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your device isn't compatible with this version issue on Google Play Store. First of all, check if Android needs update. To do that, go to Phone Settings, scroll down, About Phone, Software Update, download and install. After that, see if this fixes the issue. If your phone's software is up to date, then go to Play Store, tap your profile picture, tap Settings, About, press Update Play Store. After that, try installing the app. If this does not fix the issue, go back to Phone Settings, search, type unknown, install unknown apps. Then enable Allow Chrome web browser. Then check your Android version. To do that, go to Settings, scroll down, About Phone, Software Information, see Android version. Then open Google Chrome. Search app name with Android version that you have, like app for Android and then version name. Replace app with the app name. You will see some search results. Choose a reputable website to download that older version of the app. You can download and use that in your phone. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.